What's up guys, welcome back to another video of Themung. In this video we are going to discuss about top 10 WordPress plugin in 2021. If you are watching this video to create a website and searching for similar videos, then you can check more videos in my channel. In this video I am going to list all the plugins which are free of cost and are available on wordpress.org. Before starting this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get notification of latest videos. Now let's start our video. On number 1 we have Lead Form Builder. Every website requires a newsletter form or contact form to get in touch with visitors. So this plugin offers you to create a form according to requirement. You can add or remove fields according to your need. Also you can get live customizer area to get results in real time. Drag and drop feature is also available to change the orders of field. Some of its important features are SMTP mail configure, Google reCAPTCHA, autoresponder feature, form import export, lead export, MailChimp add-on, etc. On number 2 we have Yoast SEO. Yoast SEO is the most used WordPress SEO plugin. It helps search engine to get most out of your website and rank it on the top of search results. It creates XML sitemaps, making it easy for Google to understand website structure. Title and meta description for getting better search results. Full control over site breadcrumbs so that users and search engine always know where they are. Some of its main features are readability analysis, full language supports, Google preview, etc. On number 3 we have Pop-up Builder. This Pop-up Builder helps you to create pop-up for your website. You can display offers and notification for your visitors. Its drag and drop feature makes it user friendly. You will get features to add images, text, buttons in real time. It also provides you 9 different layouts to position your pop-up. It also offers to add shortcode so that you can show content of other plugins such as contact form, etc. Some of its more features are pop-up display options, pop-up responsive options, pop-up trigger, pop-up frequency, etc. On number 4 we have Updraft Plus. This is a backup plugin which takes backup of your website. It allows you to set up automatic backup schedules and restores your data when needed. You can also store your backup on cloud platforms such as Dropbox, Google Drive, Amazon S3, Updraft Vault, etc. It provides you a status of your backup including any error or warning. You will also get option to take backup of multi-site, or you can restore individual site within the network. On number 5 we have Lightspeed Cache plugin. Lightspeed Cache plugin is an all-in-one acceleration solution which reduces the load time of your page. The reason to use this cache plugin is server level full page cache, image optimization, CSS JavaScript combination, browser cache support, database combination, CSS JavaScript and HTML minification are its main feature. Also this plugin is compatible with almost all the popular plugins such as WooCommerce, WPML, Contact Form 7, Jetpack, Yoast SEO, etc. On number 6 we have WooCommerce. This plugin does not require any introduction. WooCommerce is a versatile plugin and available in almost all the WordPress websites. WooCommerce allows you to create a shopping website and it covers all the steps from creating a product to listing a product on website and finally completing the purchase and making payment. You can create simple product or variant product using it. It also allows you to create virtual products. Its convenient payment option allow you to set up for payment in cash, card or by any payment system such as Stripe, PayPal, Square, etc. On number 7 we have Appointment Hour Booking. Appointment Hour Booking plugin creates booking forms for appointments with a start time and a defined duration. This plugin is useful for services like booking of medical services, personal training sessions, reserving language classes, etc. Some of the main features of this plugin are easy visual configuration of calendar, working dates can be defined, open hours can be defined for date, email notification for admin and users, form validation and captcha protection. On number 8 we have Social Sharing plugin, also known as Sassy Social Share plugin. This helps to share content of your website on all popular social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Google, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, Pinterest, etc. This is an optimized plugin with great looking vector icons. Some of its more important features are GDPR compliant, compatible with Gutenberg editor. Around hundreds of social sharing services are available. Social media follow icon, free icon customization options, standard and floating layout of icons, mobile responsiveness, etc. On number 5 we have WordFence security plugin. If you are creating your site, then it is necessary to make it secure. WordFence security plugin will help you that WordFence includes an endpoint firewall and malware scanner that were built from the ground up to protect WordPress. Its main services are malware scanner, core files, themes and plugin for malware. Compare core files of theme and plugin with WordPress repository. Checks your site for known security vulnerabilities and alert you. Checks content safety by scanning content. Some login securities are also available, that is two-factor authentication, login page captcha, etc. And the last plugin is HelpyFac. HelpyFac is an advanced WordPress effect plugin to create and edit FAQs and accordions on your site. This creates complete responsive FAQ with toggle or accordion style. It can be grouped and filtered using categories and tags. It also provides shortcodes so you can use it to your pages and posts. Some of its main features are limit number of FAQ displayed, FAQ list view display mode, drag and drop option, etc. Friends, these are the plugins which you can use for your WordPress site. Do let me know in comment box which plugin you are going to use. Also please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get notification of the latest videos. Thanks for watching my video.